let us go and do our outbound delivery. We need to ship our goods. We have already created our sales order, so the next process under sales process is outbound delivery, which is post goods issue. Outbound delivery document is the one which we use to post goods issues to customer. Let me just create one. Go to logistics, SD, shipping and transportation, outbound delivery, create single document with reference to sales order, because we already have a sales order. Now we need to choose our shipping point, because all outbound delivery will be based on a shipping point. We know what is shipping point. We have discussed it at length. Let's ship it from LaGuardia Airport. Let me just double confirm if my sales order is containing the LaGuardia Airport. Go to VA03. VA03 is to display the sales order, and choose of a sales order. This is a sales order. You can check the shipping here. Yeah, the shipping point is LGAP, which is LaGuardia Airport. So let us go here, outbound delivery, choose LaGuardia Airport, and the sales order should be, copy this and paste it here and press enter. You can also choose to ship only a particular item from the sales order. Not necessarily you need to ship all the items. When I say item, I mean this. If you have 10 items, you can choose to ship the first 2 items if you want. Copying is not possible because an entry is missing. This is again the copying control problem. Sales order is blocked for delivery. Yeah, we know about the second error message because there's a delivery block here for the credit limit. We'll come to that later, but let us fix this issue first, because we need to set up the copy control. Let us go and do it now. Let me just check again. Press enter. AEBOLF. So let me go to SPRO. Let me close this. SPRO, need to go to sales, maintain copy control for sales documents. Choose maintain copy control for sales documents. So the document type which is used for the outbound delivery document is LF. I know this by looking at this indicator here. We know our sales order is created using AEBO. So come back here. Let's go for LF. Cannot select using this. Use this instead. Source, from sales document, LF, it's not there. So let me just check LF here, it's not there as well. Okay, let me show you how the system has determined delivery document type as LF for sales order type of AEBO. As you can see here, we are hitting a error here whereby the system is trying to copy sales order type AEBO to delivery document type LF, and since the copying control has not been maintained yet, we are hitting an error. But before that, we need to understand how the system is sure that the delivery document type that should be used is LF and not anything else. So it must have been defined somewhere, right? So I'm going to show that to you now. It is defined in the sales document type itself. We need to go to sales distribution, sales document header, define sales document types, execute it, go to AEBO, sales order type. Can you see this delivery type? So under the shipping section, it has been defined as delivery type LF. So using this information, when you want to create a delivery document from sales order that we created just now, the system is trying to use document type of LF. And the other thing is that I also show you that this sales order that we created is automatically blocked for delivery for the reason credit limits. What you're seeing here is the reason credit limits, and this has been defined in the sales order type as well, which is here. Delivery block automatically has been defaulted to credit limits. These are just the reasons that has been predefined in the system, so you can choose any reason you want, political reasons and things like that. If there's political unrest in a place that we're going to ship the products to, you can choose this as well. So once you choose a reason here, it will be automatically blocked. So now let us go and define the copy control so that we can proceed. We have to come to the same place where we define our earlier copy controls under sales distribution, sales, maintain copy control for sales documents, execute it. Okay, obviously there will not be a combination with AEBO and LF, that's why we are hitting the error. So there's no combination. Let us create it now. Let me just check if there's an existing LF from sales document type LF. Is there any that we can copy? There is no. Let me just look for an existing delivery order so that we can just copy it over. I think I know why we cannot find any existing entries for LF, existing copying control for LF, because we are looking at the wrong screen here. This option that we have just checked is to maintain copy controls for sales quotations and sales order. So let us go and look for another place under logistic execution, shipping, copying control. All the configuration that is related to outbound delivery or shipping can be found under logistic execution and not under sales and distribution. So just take note of that, because starting ECC 6.0, all the configuration related to outbound delivery have been transferred to a new module, which is logistic execution. So you will not find it in the sales and distribution anymore. In the previous version like 4.6 and 4.7, you can find the shipping configuration under the sales and distribution module itself. So this is just for your general knowledge. So come here, specifying copy control for deliveries, execute it. Still loading. Okay, it's loaded. Now let me go and look for LF, position at LF, so I can find lots of entries here. So the source document will be our sales order. It cannot be our quotation because we cannot create a delivery from our quotation. It has to be created from a sales order. Now let us go and check if there is an entry for AEBO. Oh, there isn't any. So that's why we are hitting this error here. Once we create a copy control, we can clear this error. Let me go to delivery type. Sorry, close this. Hit the pencil button. Alright. So let us go and look for our delivery type LF. Probably we can copy from here. Change it to AEBO. Copying requirements and things like that, just leave it the same and press enter. Copy all. I'm going to copy the items as well. The 126 items here. Let me just check. Item refers to item categories under the sales order line items. You must make sure AGN is there. AGN is not there, so we will be hitting another error later on because the AGN is not there. I think it's AGN, right, in the sales order, or not AGN, sorry, it's TAN, item category TAN. The items here refers to the item category here, so TAN is there, so we don't have to worry. These line items from the sales order will also be copied properly. Alright, let's save this. Now we have a copying control for AEBO and LF combination. Let us go and check our system now. I'm going to quit and create again, press enter. Yeah, one of the error has been cleared, but the remaining error is sales orders blocked for delivery credit limits. So how can we get rid of this? It's very easy. Just come here, go to change mode and just clear off this credit limits block. Then we should be able to press enter. Clear off this block and save. So delivery block has been cleared. Click OK. It's just a warning message. Okay, it has been saved. Now go back and enter once again. It's currently processed by SAP user. You must give some time for the database to get updated. Wait for a few seconds, press enter again. Yeah, it has been updated. So still is being processed. Let me just check if I'm blocking anything. I think I should quit from the screen because it's blocking the sales order. Okay, let me try now again. Enter again. Okay, sales order is blocked for delivery. Not sure. I've already removed the delivery block. VA02. Let me just check if the delivery block is still there. The delivery block is cleared. Okay, I think it's a refresh problem because I've already cleared the delivery block. Let me just check if there's a delivery block at the item level. Item overview, and I zoom in. Shipping. Is there a delivery block here? There's no delivery block here. At the item level, let me just check here. Shipping, there's no delivery block here either. There's schedule line data. So I think it's good to go. Just a refresh problem probably. Let me just check once again. Shipping, delivery priority, there's no delivery block. Okay, let me quit and quit this as well. Press enter. Yeah, this is just the error message has been cleared. This is just a warning message due to long text. Let me check the long text. We can ignore the first reason because we have already specified the copy conditions. So the remaining two reasons are the ones which is blocking our delivery, which is the order is blocked for delivery. This also has been cleared because we changed the delivery block due to credit limit, and last reason is order document is incomplete because of this warning message. So let us check what is this warning message is all about. Click on the long text. Okay, no schedule lines due for delivery up to the selected date. We will be covering about schedule lines in detail in this topic, but for now let me just show you how to get rid of this error. It's not an error, it's a warning message. So let me show you briefly how to do that without, I think since it's a warning message, let me try to press enter again. Okay, even though it's a warning message, let me show you how to clear this. Let me go to that sales order. Can you see this? Item here, go to schedule lines. Let me just check delivery date 23rd of February. What is the delivery date I've chosen here? 23rd of February as well. So I've got a item to be delivered on this date. I don't know why the system cannot recognize this. Give me some time, I'll find out the reason for this. Okay, now I know the reason why we are getting this error. This is because if we go to sales order, let me go from the beginning, VA03, press enter, you come to this line item for the sales order, double click on it, go to schedule lines. So can you see the order quantity is 10 but the confirmed quantity is 0. Confirmed quantity is populated by the system automatically when there is sufficient stock in our inventory to be shipped to this customer based on this order quantity. Since we want to ship 10 units of our laptop, if we go and do a check in the material master, there will not be sufficient stock in there for us to meet these 10 units. Go to plan NY, this is a delivering plan. You can see that in this field here, 0 quantity available for shipment, so definitely it is not sufficient for us to deliver the stock. Okay, so this is the reason we are getting this error, because we don't have enough stock in our inventory to deliver to our customer. So what we need